studying is going well. I think I'm taking it chill, keeping it calm. Lollipops did not turn out the way I wanted them to be. Did not like them. Anyhow, point being key. Teachers have relations while studying too. This shows me, this makes me understand what studying truly is, because it is being so invested in your subject while you're understanding it. So you start thinking of new things. You're ingraining the language of this subject into your brain, so your brain can think of new things in the subject. That's what he did. I'm not gonna reach that point in physics because physics is not my main domain of study. But I hope I reach that point in surgery or medicine because that is what I want to study. So, also, just because talking to the camera is very fun right now. I don't know. I haven't talked to. I don't know. Anyhow, I was about to say I haven't talked to a lot of people today, but that is kinda not true. I went to the gym and talked to my parents. So yeah, okay. So abhi tak, this does not freak me out because patience is. I've realized कि me being calm and patient is the most important thing throughout this whole studying process, because the brain only works when you're like chill, I think. I mean, it does work. It does not work when you're agitated. It does not. That's just fake. Even in stressful situations, you need to chill down for your brain to work. You need to be calm as fuck in stressful situations for your brain to work. The people who handle stress are calm through stressful situations. That's it. You need to be calm when you're studying, or else you won't understand anything. For your brain to comprehend stuff, it should not be firing haphazardly. So, yeah, trying to chill. Going with the flow. I should start too. I mean, I'm so scared. Talking could freak me out. Also, I do not have storage on my phone, so this might not be the most smartest idea, but it is what it is. And also, today, I realized I understand the NCERT. I always thought for the past lot of years, 4 years, I've had this teaching for 3 years. 3 years, kind of. For now, 3 years. Next year, when this video will be posted, 4 years. NCERT, everyone always said NCERT is a tough language, it's hard to read. It was never hard to read, that is true. But for you to actually understand every single line, I mean, you understand the line when you're reading it, but for you to connect the lines together, you already need to know the subject. So if you can understand NCERT, you know your subject. So as I was finishing up chemical kinetics, I did not like the video, plus staring at the screen made my head ache too much. Picked up the NCERT, read the concept, collision theory wala, simple concept, fairly simple concept. But I could understand every single line of NCERT, which makes me sure that I know the subject. I know whatever's in it. Which basically brings back to the point that I just need to revise, go through the questions, remember the formula, and I'll be done for this exam. Neat. I did push a lot last year and the years before that, so we are ready. Hope I don't freak out tomorrow, because it's a cycle. I freak out and then I don't. I freak out and then I don't. It's basically a cycle. This taking a drop was a choice. Okay, it was a choice. It was a choice to make this my lifestyle for the next year. Not my lifetime. I don't want this to be a lifetime, bro. No. People who suicide make their drops a lifetime drop. This is a once in a lifetime situation where I'm taking a gap year. My lifestyle, so basically I'm investing this time, my energy and my brain into studying, into understanding these concepts well. And this is a choice I made. I cannot be sad upon the fact that I made a choice to understand these subjects well, to reach my dream job, to reach my dream profession, to be able to do my profession. I need to understand these subjects well. I took a year for that. And that is a happy thing, that the chance or the ability I get to make this choice, I can give up an year. That my parents can handle it for an year if I'm not in the working force, if I'm not studying yet. They can handle it financially and emotionally, and I can handle it financially and emotionally. It's a very big blessing from God. I can take it chill for a year, I can understand my subjects for a year, and then go into the hustle and bustle of everything. So this is my life for a year. This is the time where I don't need to be making new friends, because I'm trying to understand these subjects so well enough that I can think in this subject. That when I do go outside and live my life, which I'm currently doing right now. The whole point of this conversation is this is my life right now. I chose for it to be this way. I'm not going to be sad about it, because I want to understand these subjects right now. My goal is to understand these subjects well, and when I finish understanding these subjects, I can go do other stuff, like post this video. This is why this video won't be going online for at least 9 months, up until after NEET. So I hope I look okay and the same I do. I won't even look the same when this video goes online. But yeah, I hope this rant makes the cut. I think it will, because just because I said I hope this rant makes the cut, it's gonna be. Bye.